So this is SAP Cloud Connector. So let's start with what is Cloud Connector and what does it do. So basically Cloud Connector is an application that can be installed on a Windows, Linux, Mac OS operating system, which creates a secure connection to the SAP Cloud so that SAP Cloud products can communicate securely with system in a customer's on-premises cloud landscape.
Okay. Any questions, guys? Any doubt? Okay, move ahead.
Okay. So we have now question, is there any alternative ways for SAP Cloud products to communicate with the internal system? So yes, we have sure we have in internal system we can expose directly to the internet, but that will not secure because this might end up requiring opening the firewall to allow communication with the internal system, which is another security risk. And this is a so generally we cannot recommend this expose our critical operation system to the internet. So how can Cloud Connector allow communication from SAP Cloud products without exposing my system to the internet? So we will show in next slide. So this Cloud Connector installed in our premises is the one of the initiates the communication connection. This is the this is create a secure communication tunnel. This tunnel is used by SAP Cloud products to communicate with your internal system securely. So here are right side. This is the intranet in our premises, which is application like SAP BW ECC as for HANA. And other side left side, this is showing SAP Cloud application like S4 HANA Cloud, Fieldglass, Salesforce. So here is another question. Can anyone in the internet use the tunnel initiated by Cloud Connector to connect to my landscape? So the answer is no, because no one but SAP Cloud products application that we have deployed in on the SAP platform as a service. Only this application can access like SAP business technology platform can connect to our internal system. So here are some installation of Cloud Connector. How can we install installation Cloud Connector? So Cloud Connected can be downloaded from any secure link and start the installation. Which installation we must ensure that port number is 8443. We can access Cloud Connector by this link at https://localhost:8443. At the time of in setup default, username is normally we will put administrator and password as shown. After that, first time login, we can change the password. So for this installment, we require SAP JVM. We don't have, then we have to download this and then we will copy this to our C folder. Then we can ensure SAP Java JVM directory will while installing. Step 2, we will configure the Cloud Connector. We create a link between our on-premises system and our cloud system. First, we will configure our Cloud Connector with the cloud system. Then we configure it with our premises system. It is important to define sub-account to configure Cloud Connector. Otherwise, it remains inoperative. So what happens if my Cloud Connector instance will stops working? How can the SAP Cloud communicate with the internal system? Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So Ideally, Cloud Connector will be set up as highly available, meaning that there will be another machine. If there any failover available, then there is process receive the request from the SAP Cloud. In case the main machine Cloud Connector instance fails, then this is to ensure that cloud to internally connectivity is not lost in case of failure. So where do we install Cloud Connector and how I can connect the SAP Cloud? Cloud Connector can be installed on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. This can be in a virtual machine or a physical machine. An SAP BTP account is needed to configure the connection between the SAP Cloud environment and the Cloud Connector instance. So these are popular applications, popular Cloud Connector solutions like Microsoft Azure, Logic Apps, AWS Glue, Google Cloud, PubSub, Dell Boomi, and MuleSoft Anypoint Platform. In future, in future trends, we will use these features like AI and automation, and by this we can enhance our security and we can increase our interoperability with this cloud connection. And there are many key features by this customer recommend cloud connector. Like there is first of all there is a secure tunnel, provide a secure encrypted tunnel between on premises and cloud applications. And connectivity control, we can define which on premises system, service and data can be accessed from the cloud. Support or multiple cloud application, it allows you to connect various cloud application to the same on premises system. So we can we can give some example like uh, cloud connectors enables uh, integrity functionality with SAP Cloud. Then there some extensions, integrations, data processing like this. So in this, we don't need any VPN requirement. It avoids the need for VPN or special network configuration, making integration easier. And this is very user-friendly configuration. So it provides to simply UI to configure and monitor connections. So here are some benefits of using SAP Cloud Connector. This is provide improved agility, rapid deployment of cloud applications, cost efficiency, reduce the need for extensive middleware, scalability, easily scale connection as needed. So if we can talk about integration on premises system with cloud application using cloud integration, this is a part of SAP integration suite. We can create integration between cloud application and many types of internal systems that communicate through different protocols like OData, HTTP, LDAP, Mail SFTP, and expose internal APIs to the internet. SAP API management part of the SAP integration suite. So this way we can enable external parties, business partner to communicate with our system via the secure API gateway. And other one is data processing. We can replicate the data from an premises database to the cloud. Cloud connector enables connecting SAP HANA with the cloud. So SAP HANA database can replicate from the SAP HANA on premises to SAP HANA cloud, move large amount of data, and other one is reporting in the cloud.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you on the last slide? Maybe I think my
Yes.
screen is freeze or what?
No, sir. This is last. Only conclusion are left.
Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, Ravi. So any doubts, guys, as of now? You have gone through the session, the Cloud Connector session. Any doubts, any queries so far? A pin drop silence means everything is clear, right? So let me ask few questions on the same session. Eh, Anybody from the audience can, if you can just uh, summarize about the need of Cloud Connector, why it is actually required, and what could be the implications if we do not use Cloud Connector in our landscape? Any one of you, based on the understandings you have gathered through this session? Anyone from the basis team, basis and security? Why Cloud Connector is required?
So basically, Cloud Connector is a tool. We can say it is a mediator between the cloud tools and our SAP system for a secure connection.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, so let me just give you a brief overview. As you know, uh, currently SAP is focusing on the SAP Cloud environment, correct? As of now, you might have gone through the scenarios or the situations wherein you might be working on the customers' systems which are deployed on premise in their network. Like ECC system, S/4HANA system, their databases, and all other hub systems like BW, CRM, SRM, everything. Now, in this cloud era, all the applications, I would say the business suites uh, are getting transformed into the cloud native technologies. Like for CRM, there is a different solution available on the SAP Cloud. SRM different solution like Ariba, Field Glass, Concur, DataSphere. All these kinds of solutions are available on the cloud for HR related things. HR module of SAP. We have Success Factor for Solution Manager. We have Focus Run, uh, Cloud ALM. All these kinds of technologies and the solutions are available on the cloud version of the SAP environment. Okay, now the cloud version of any of the solution is open on the internet. Okay, it is available over the internet. And if your on-premise system, suppose you have chosen for SuccessFactors as a HR solution for your organization, and you want your core ECC system to be connected to that HR system. So instead of using your inbuilt capability of HR functionality of ECC system, you want to capitalize the benefits of SuccessFactors as a product of the SAP Cloud offering. Okay, in this scenario, what you have to do is to consume, or maybe to you would need to connect your on-premise ECC system with SuccessFactors system, which is provided as a kind of a SaaS offering from the SAP RISE team, or maybe the Grow with RISE team. SaaS offering means it's a software as a service, like Gmail and Yahoo.com. These are being provided as a software as service for you. You cannot control the functioning and the maintenance of those softwares, but you can utilize the functionality, you can utilize the benefits of that product for your own usage. Okay, so suppose as a SuccessFactors, you had taken SuccessFactors as a SaaS service from SAP, and you want to integrate that solution with your on-premise ECC system, or maybe S/4HANA system. There is one way to connect that product with your environment is to, if you can ask SAP to whitelist your IP addresses on their network, then it can connect. Okay, but that will become a kind of a risky affair for you, because that will expose your system over the internet, and also the SuccessFactors instance, which will be connecting to your environment, that will also be exposed. So that is not a secure solution. That is not a recommended solution. For that reason, SAP it mandates to use a secure tunnel, which will provide you the ability, the platform for connecting all the applications to your on-premise environment. And that utility is called Cloud Connector.